Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is house.Acheiving, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. If you're also new, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. I produce beauty related videos, DIYs and stuffs about me. So if you'd like to see my face regularly, any beauty related stuffs, DIY, because I'm a student and I'm trying to save some coins, save some money, make sure you subscribe and join my family. So today's today's video is basically going to be about lips, that is exfoliating the lips. This recipe or this procedure doesn't brighten the lips, it just exfoliates your lips normal. If you want how I brighten my lips, because my lips is kind of dark or it's pink small, naturally, not chemically, naturally, let me know and I'll do a video on that. But this recipe or this procedure is just for exfoliating the lips. That is one. I'm just using 2 ingredients, so you can get it anywhere, everywhere, anytime. So basically what we are going to be using is brown sugar. You can use white sugar. Everybody have sugar. You can use brown sugar or white sugar, and olive oil. That is all. This is just for exfoliating, not for brightening or anything. Because it's a DIY, I just use my eye to gauge. I'm using this small container because for some things that I do, some DIY, I just make for that moment. I don't keep them because it's easy to make. So, but if it's for like some other thing that I might want to keep, but this one I just get a small container and I just make it at that moment. So this is the brown sugar here. Then I'll just add oil to just mix it, form like a thick paste. That's all. That should be enough. And the brown sugar will help to exfoliate, get rid of the dead skin cells. Why the olive oil? Yes, olive oil. I thought I said groundnut oil. The olive oil will just help to moisturize and bring back moisture to your lips. So this is me just mixing it. Sometimes I add honey, but today I'm just keeping it simple so that everybody and anybody can do it. Not necessarily have to start looking for honey, and just use this. And you can add lime or lemon for brightening the lips. If you just want like a video on how I get my pink lips naturally, tell me and I'll do a video on it. So you can lick it though. I do this in the bedroom, so just bear with the whole mess. So I'll scrub for like 5-10 minutes. So I'm just going to you can lick it. It's sweet because it's just sugar and can you see the difference? it just brighten it a little, but it's just red now. It will cool down later. Okay, added gloss on my just added gloss on my lips, and that is it for this video. Hope you guys learned something, or how to do a lip scrub very easily, cheap, affordable. You don't need to be thinking and overthinking. Your lips will be crusty and not cute. Now your lips is cute and soft and nice and pretty. And so that's just all for this video. Make sure you share to your friends so they can try this DIY like and save some coin. So that's just all for this video. See you guys in another video. Bye.